Hey guys, welcome to Zero Daily Portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you make your portfolio looking like this. So, if I want to show you, then this is a mobile responsive. First of all, because it's the most important thing that your portfolio is responsive or not. Okay. So, if we show you on the mobile device, so it's looking like this. So, I think it's a great. Okay. So, as the all the like first of all in the mobile device contact resume and your name and all your social handle about me skills your all the skills project whatever you had done and so on and after that contact me. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, if I show you on the desktop side, so you can see your about skills. Okay, and so on. So if you are a full stack developer, then you can do full stack developer who likes to build a great minimalistic interface and automation fit to Golang and 50ist. Yeah, resume project, whatever you want to add, just add it. Okay, and your professional DP. So just hello, whatever you like, you can give a short description about yourself and some skills, whatever you want to add. And next thing is your like whatever you have done in the project. So please add this. That makes your portfolio looking like awesome. So and one more thing on the portfolio should also add the read doing and the like handle which you have like deploy link. Okay. So on that, so let's get started. Okay. So first of all, like I already quoted this portfolio. If I show you, so how can you make your portfolio? So I'm going to guide you from. So first of all, it comes to a nav bar. Okay. So if I click on like just like clone the, I will provide the GitHub link for this project. You have to just do a git clone and do npm i. Okay. And after that, you got like all the files, and after that like I'm using here the inline CSS called Taliban CSS. So if I show you what is on the navigation, so yeah, so on the navigation there is my logo. So you can just import logo like this. So if I show you on the image file, so there is a logo. Okay, so you can just replace this logo here, or like if you want to import any logo. Okay, so like you have to add source. So just import from like import logo from dot slash image whatever the location. Okay, and I'm using like right here Talvin. So you can think. Okay, so all the things is like already the functionality about skulls navigation is already done. It's just ID, like using ID that is navigating. So if I show you, okay. Yeah, on the wrap, like I just give hashtag whatever the ID name. Okay, so that will navigate me if I click on continue and so on that. Okay, so let's come on this page. So this is called body. On the body, like there's one DP and the my name. Okay, so so you have to just import the TP from the IMG folder and just add it on the source is equal to DP. And I think you can edit whatever want to edit, like all the things. Okay. And another thing is that about me. If you click on about me, so you can change if you like to change, otherwise it's okay. And another thing is that project list, which is so much important. Okay, so on the project list, like I can you should add title, category, GitHub link, source, description, Steam, member, live link. If you want to remove any file, you just remove it, and so on that. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to like make a reusable code, so just make a array of data and just map the data with the project component. So you what is project component? So on the project link, I'm just passing as a props. So and so on that, and just mapping here on, just rendering the data. Okay. So another thing is that contact me. So yeah, form. So here's the form. So I think you don't have to edit anything. If you want to edit, go ahead and edit because you have full stack. Okay, and there is some social handle. So I've already given social handle. So yeah, I will provide the GitHub link to clone this project and edit whatever you want to edit. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.